In today's video, I'm going to teach you Autods versus Async, which is better. Before we dive in, here's the key idea. These two options are built for different jobs in dropshipping, so the right choice depends on what you actually need. Think of Autods as your operations engine and Async style tools as your product research microscope. Autods is an all-in-one automation platform designed to run the day-to-day of your store. It lets you import products quickly, monitors supplier price and stock changes, and can even place orders automatically. That combination helps prevent overselling, keeps your prices aligned with supplier updates, and removes a lot of manual busy work. If you're aiming for a hands-off system that can scale, this kind of automation is a huge advantage. It centralizes tasks, reduces human error, and frees you to focus on higher level work, like branding, customer experience, and marketing. Async type tools, on the other hand, focus on discovery and validation. They help you find winning products, analyze competitors, and track trends. You can spot what's gaining traction, see how other sellers position their listings, and build a short list of items worth testing. But here's the catch. Research tools don't manage your store. They don't handle automation, order fulfillment, or day-to-day inventory syncing. If you pick an async approach, you'll still need additional software or workflows to actually run operations reliably. So which is better? If you value convenience, scalability, and a single place to manage importing, repricing, stock tracking, and orders, Autods is the stronger choice. It's especially useful if you plan to add more products, work with multiple suppliers, or operate across several marketplaces and want consistency without constant micromanagement. If your main priority is finding profitable products and understanding the market, an async research tool can be incredibly useful. It shines when you already have systems for fulfillment and store management, or when you prefer to control operations manually while you test ideas quickly. A practical way to think about it is this: just starting and want a streamlined setup with fewer moving parts. Lean toward Autods to cover the operational backbone from day one. Already running a store with processes you trust and only need sharper product discovery. Go with an async style research platform. Many sellers even combine both. Research first to identify winners, then rely on automation to scale what works. Whichever path you choose, make sure it integrates with your sales channels, matches your workflow, and supports your growth goals.